अस्सलाम वालेकुम क्लास 6। आज हम पढ़ेंगे इंग्लिश का चैप्टर नंबर 2 निकोबॉबिनस, जो कि एक नावल है। दिस नावल इज़ राइट बाय द ऑथर कैरी जॉन्स एंड दिस नावल इज़ अबाउट द निकोबॉबिनस who is the main character of the novel and his friend Rosie. Nicobobinus is an excellent and extraordinary child that can do each and everything in his life easily. And about this thing, nobody know but his friend Rosie. That know that Nicobobinus is an extraordinary child and he can do each and everything in his life easily. Rosie is her friend, and one day Rosie come with an idea. He said to Nicobobinus, "Why should not we do an adventure? We should go on an adventure and find the land of dragons." And the whole story is depend on the land of the dragons. Nicobobinus decided to go with the Rosie to this adventure. They took some food and start their adventure and went on a journey. In their way there are many hurdles they came across and found different difficulties that they have to overcome in their way. In their adventure, they pass the 3 bridges and reach a garden, but they have lost their food. That's why they tried to get the apples on the tree, but they could not reach because the tree of the apple is very high. At that time, the Nicobobinus fell down to the other side of the garden, and he could not go to the Rosie because she is on very high building and Nicobobinus cannot reach her. During such time, he came across a man who wanted to beat the Nicobobinus to come to his garden, and different types of things happened during that time. At last, he ran from that man and he come across a strange place, and that place is very beautiful according to Nicobobinus. He had never seen such place before. And this is the end of the chapter 2. If you want to read about this novel more, then you can search the net of the Nicobobinus and can read the whole story if you want to. As you understand the description of the story, now we will come towards the exercise of the Nicobobinus. Question answer have been given in the form of worksheet. Now we will come towards the concept of the sentences. There are 4 types of sentences that is given in your book, and the first one is the exclamation, question, statement and command. What are the exclamation sentences? Such sentences that express sudden emotions are called exclamation. This is a sign that express the exclamation sentences. Second one is the question sentences, and that contain this mark at the end of the statement. And next one is the statement that give the clear expression in their speech or in the written form. And the last one is the command in which the order is given. For example, if we talk about the example, then we come across such an example such that a man is not a machine. This is a statement. Is a man machine? क्या आदमी एक मशीन है? This is a question. Make them fix the machine. उन्हें कहें कि इस मशीन को ठीक करें. This is an order and a command. That's not a man but a machine. ये आदमी नहीं है बल्कि एक मशीन है. दिस इज़ एन एक्सक्लेमेशन. इसमें सडन इमोशंस को एक्सप्लेन किया गया. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज़ एन एक्सक्लेमेशन स्टेटमेंट. नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट जो है वो आपका इडियोमेटिक लैंग्वेज. क्या है इडियोमेटिक लैंग्वेज? बेसिकली क्या होती है, पहले हम बात करेंगे कि इडियम्स क्या होते हैं. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड इडियोमेटिक लैंग्वेज. इडियम ऐसे ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड है जो हमें कंप्लीट न्यू मीनिंग देकर. मैं कहूँ केक, तो आपको पता है केक इट्स द एडिबल थिंग दैट यू इट एज अ स्वीट. लेकिन अगर मैं कहूँ पीस ऑफ केक, देन इट्स डजंट मीन कि दैट इज़ एन एडिबल थिंग. कि अगर मैं पीस ऑफ केक का जो अगर मैं मीनिंग बताऊँ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इडियम, तो इसका मतलब है ईजी वर्क. तो इस तरह के वर्ड्स जो कंप्लीट सेंस डिफरेंट दें, इंडिविजुअल वर्ड्स दें, उनको हम कहते हैं इडियम्स.